Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open the Octopus Energy app and sign in with your email and password. If you do not have an account, choose Register and complete the form with your email, full name, and a secure password. Set up two-factor authentication using a 6-digit code sent by SMS or Authenticator app to protect your account. Allow location and notification permissions to receive timely outage and payment alerts. Confirm your address and link your first meter using the 11 or 13-digit MPAN or your gas meter ID. Then proceed to the dashboard. View live usage in kWh and GBP for today, yesterday, and the last 7 days on the Usage tab. Change the graph to hourly or daily to spot peaks. Submit manual meter readings by tapping Submit Reading, entering the digits, and confirming within 30 seconds if your smart meter is offline. Check smart meter connection status and refresh data with a pull to refresh gesture, or schedule automatic updates every 24 hours. Set a daily usage target in kWh and an alert threshold at a chosen percentage to manage consumption more closely. Switch tariffs in the app by comparing unit prices and estimated annual cost, then tap Switch to confirm and see the effective date. Pay a bill quickly using a saved card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or enter card details to store for future payments and set up or adjust direct debit amounts. You can choose a specific payment date within the next 14 days. Export invoices as PDF or CSV from the billing screen for the last 12 months for record keeping or to send to an accountant. Contact support via in-app chat or call for meter issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.